I will be making a meat and vegetable casserole today. For this, we need 2 potatoes chopped in quarters, 1 onion chopped in quarters, half a kilogram of bone-in meat chopped, 1 peeled and chopped big tomato, 1 bell pepper chopped in chunky pieces, some salt, some water. Here is how I chop the meat. I will not add any oil or butter to the pot as it needs to cook in its own fat for this recipe. Let's place it in a pot and turn on the heat. I am sauteing it for a few minutes and then I am adding the chopped tomato. Let's make sure the tomatoes are distributed evenly and then place the lid on. I am now adding the onion. Let's sprinkle some salt over it and place the lid back on for it to cook a little. You can check it from time to time by removing the lid so that it doesn't burn. I have cooked it for 15 minutes so far. The chopped tomato has also nicely dissolved and given its color to the meat. Let's now add the potatoes to the pot and fill it with water. It should cover the meat. The water will reduce as it keeps cooking. Let's now add the chopped peppers to it and place the lid back on to leave it to simmer on low heat. It will take half an hour. Our dish is ready and it has turned out great. We hope you enjoyed this recipe.